Watch this video to the end as I'm about to show you on how to trade the market using my one candle strategy in the market, so that from there you can also get to learn it and get to see crazy results like this and also this in the market for yourself guys on your own chart. So if you've been struggling with trading, trying to make money in the market but you still end up losing your money every day, I'm about to show you something that you have not seen before. Stick to this video and get to watch everything I'm going to show you right now, so that from this video you can get to learn something that will help you in the long run and get to make you a profitable trader that you wish to be in the market guys. So let's get into the chart. Let me get to show you how this works in the market. I'm not going to hide anything from you. I'm going to be very transparent with you guys, so you guys can get to learn and get to make money from the market guys. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Philip Joshua, and on this channel I've been teaching a lot of things about the forex market, starting from the beginners level to the advanced level. I've taught a lot of things already. You can get back to my old videos and get to watch for yourself. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to do what? Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and drop anything you want to learn about the forex market in the comment section guys, so I can go through it and get to know what I will teach you guys in my next video guys. So let's get into the video. Let me get to show you on how this one kind of works in the market and how to profit from it every day in the market guys. Let's go. Alright guys, let me show you on how the one candle strategy works in the market, so you can get to learn it and get to make money in the market also guys. So right now we are on BTC USD, and in this market the market has been bullish for a very long time now. What do you look out for in the market? Buy opportunities in the market, because the market is still bullish and there's no sign that the market is going to draw toward the downside for now. So right now, if you want to get entry, what are you going to do? You're going to go back to your daily time frame in the market, because that's where you start your analysis from in the market. Always keep this in mind, because a lot of people do mistake and they get to see entries in the M15 time frame and they just get to enter like that and they get to lose money and keep blaming the market for taking their money. Stuff like that, man. It doesn't make any sense anymore. So if you want to get entry, you go to the D1 time frame in the market, and this is where you're going to get the one daily candle in the market, because all you just need is one candle in order to make crazy figures on the market. So right now in this market, if you're someone that knew that the market is going to draw towards the side, which is this part in this market, like this place now whereby the market came and got a retest around, then from there the market started rising toward the upside. If you're someone that knew about this, you could have made crazy figure on the market, because getting the market to this point is a whole lot of money already. Look at what happened in this market. Let me get to explain it for you guys, so you can get to understand it and get to know that something crazy happened here, and this was a very good opportunity for people that got to spot it. So around this side you can see the structure in this place. The market came and got a test around this side, and the market has to come and take this place away, because from the movement of the market, looking at the W1 time frame in the market is still very bullish, and that was a retest towards the side. Then from there the market now break the former structure and start rising towards upside more and more in the market for now, because the market hasn't changed its direction. There's no sign that the market is going to drop on the downside for now. If you look at this place very well, you can see a lot of rejections around this side. If you look at this side also, you can see a lot of rejections in this side. So chances that the market will still be rising towards the upside is very high. Right now we're not going to take any sales in the market. We're going to follow up with the movement of the market, which is the uptrend right now, and going to make money from the uptrend. So on this D1 time frame now, all you just need is that one candle in the market, and this is just one candle in the market. For instance, you didn't get to spot the market dropping from this side to the downside. You didn't get to spot it. You're able to spot this candle only in the market. You're gonna make crazy figure on the market. Or if I thought you spot from this movement that happened here to this point, that's a lot of money for you in the market also. But a lot of people underrate these things, thinking that you need to catch 5 to 10 daily candle in the market to make some good kind of figures in the market. No, it doesn't work that way. You just have to find a market that is going to work out for you, and you get to enter the market and you're going to make money from the market. So on this market now, that the market just rise from this side toward the upside, if you're someone that was able to find it, you could have made crazy figure from this place to this part also in the market, or probably got an entry around the side, then from this side towards the side also you could have made some crazy figures in the market. But let me show you how to get it in the market, because I believe there's still opportunity in this market and you can still get to the market anytime using this strategy to make some money for yourself guys. So right now on this daily time frame, our major target is to find the directional bias of the market, which is the fact that the market is still in an uptrend, and we're gonna follow up with the uptrend and gonna make money trading the uptrend in this market. So right now we got this place tested already. This is a supply zone in the market, and the market has tested it already. If it comes to liquidity, they will call it a liquidity sweep area in the market, because this place got swept out in the market. Then the market came around the side and got some kind of retest to the side. Then from there the market started into the upside. But the overall target is make sure you're making money in the market. Forget the English and gotta do the right thing so you can get to make money in the market also. So right now that this place has been tested in the market, so the next move is this point, which is this place where we have our pin bar candle in this market. If you're someone that's been watching my video for some time now, you get to understand that I preach about pin bar candles a lot. Pin bar candles are one of the best candles you can trade in the market, because they are very low when it comes to you getting to lose money in the market, and they're very profitable when it comes to the market going in your direction or going in your favor. They're very profitable candles in the market. So on this side now, we have found out where the market is going to come back again and get a retest around there. From there the market now start rising to the upside again. So around this side now, whereby we have this pin bar candle in this place, and around this side we have a structure in this market. So we're going to expect the market to take this structure away, then probably we'll get a retest around this side, but we have to check on our lower time frame to know if at all what we are trying to get in the market is going to happen, because sometimes we get to see places whereby we expect the market to get back to, but things have happened, a lot of things have happened on the lower time frame already that will make the market not to come back to that place. So we'll go back to our H4 time frame the market right now. So H4 time frames and that time frame the market, whereby we can still get to look out for. Then from there we expect the market to come back around that side. Then from there the market now start rising to the upside again. So around this side now, this is our H4 time frame in the market, and if you check it around this side, you can see a lot of rejections around this side already. We have a pin bar in this part also, so this pin bar in this place seems to be more valid compared to the one in this side for me, because this place has been tested already. This engulfing candle and this retest around this side has made this place a tested area in the market. So we don't expect the market to come back around that side again. We're going to drag this up a little bit. We're going to take our horizontal line to this part now, which is this point. Then when we get this to this point in the market, we're going to go back to our H1 time frame in the market right now, because we're trying to make sure that whatever we get to do on this market is something that is not going to make us to lose money in the market. And if at all we get to lose, we're going to lose little amount of money in the market, guys. So I'm going to enter our H1 time frame in the market right now, which is another time frame in the market, whereby we get some confirmations around there. From there we continue rising towards the upside again. So right now that we have this our H1 time frame in the market, we have to just drag it up a little bit to get to know if it's testing any part of this market, or if at all it's just alone on its own. So on this side now, you can see that the market is being tested around this side, and still it is looking very strong in the market, due to the fact that if at all the market gets to break this point in our daily time frame in the market, which is this part, let me get to draw it so you can get to know it also, which is this part in the market. If at all the market gets to break it, like take away the structure around that side away, which is this structure in this place, if after the market gets to take it away, we expect the market to come back and get a retest around this side now, because this is an area whereby we expect the market to come back to now. And going back to our H1 time frame, you can see that the market is very close. You can see the market is around that side, but the market hasn't given us any strong sign that we're going to get a confirmation right now. So due to what we are seeing in the market now, we expect the market to do us from this side now. From this side now, the market should do what? Get to break these rejections around the side, get to break these rejections around the side. Then from there the market will now come back to this place, get a retest around this side. Then from there we get to rise to the upside again. I think we'll make money in the market, guys. So let me get to delete this so we don't get to confuse ourselves in this market. But we're gonna go back to our M30 time frame right now in the market. I don't mostly use the M30 time frame in the market because I don't feel like it's that important in the market, but you can still get your analysis around that side in order for you to get more confirmations and get to know if what you're doing in the market is accurate or not. But around this side, you can see that there's a kind of retest around the side, the same thing that was seen on the H1 time frame in the market. So I'm gonna go back to our M15 time frame in the market, which is this time frame right now in the market. And on this market we have two plans already, which is plan A and plan B in the market. Because looking at this place now, you can see that there are a lot of rejections around this side, and these rejections has the power to take the market to the upside. But around this side also, you can see some kind of rejections in this place, which has the ability to make the market drop to this downside. Then from this side now, we get to enter the market and get to make more money in the market, guys. So we have to confirm this our horizontal line in the market and get to find that area whereby the market hasn't tested before, then place it around that side where we expect the market to come back to that place and get to test it. Then from there we'll get to make money in the market, guys. So around this side now, this is the only place where I'm getting to see if after the market gets back to that place, we're going to get an entry in the market and get to make money in the market. Because if I'm to use this part now whereby we have this pin bar in this market, then expect that the market is not going to go well, because This place has been tested many times, and this place is not strong enough to push the market continuously toward the upside. So we expect the market to break the whole of this place away, then come around this side. Then from this side now we get to enter the market and gonna make money in the market, guys. So right now that I've found out what the market is going to do, we have found out what the market is trying to do. All we're gonna look at for now is go back to the one time frame. So from this place now, if at all we get a daily candle in this place, which is the market dropping to the side now, then we get to get our entries in this place. This place to this place is a whole lot of money in the market. If you get to calculate it, you get to understand better, because you see these candles as very small candles in the market, but trust me, if you use very low size, you're gonna make money in the market. So on this market now, from this place to that side now, it's a very good place to get the entries in the market. But you see how we drew the market from this higher time frame to the lower time frame. So it's around this place where we're gonna get our entry in the market. Around this place where we have our M15 time frame in the market, we're gonna get our entry in this place, and we're going to place our stop loss around this side. Well, this is the area where we expect that if at all the market wants to break, it doesn't get to break this whole place away. Then from there we continue to get into the market and gonna make more money in the market. But from this place to this place now, it's a very little amount of money compared to what you're targeting the market. If at all we want to use our buy limit order in the market, let's get to use it and calculate how much you're gonna make in this market, guys. Alright, let's use our buy limit stuff to get to calculate this right now. On our M15 time frame, let's get to know how much we might lose if at all the market goes against us. Alright, for instance, we're using 0.01 in the market. We're gonna risk around this side. This is our entry point, and this is gonna be our risk in the market around this point. So for instance, if I'm trading on account of $100, I'm risking 38. That's a very crazy risk to reward ratio. But if at all I want to get into the market, expecting that anything that wants to happen gets to happen, then I'm gonna use this place as my stop loss in the market, because I'm trying to risk very little amount of money in order to make crazy figures in return. But if at all this market goes well in my favor, for instance, I'm to use this point now, whereby we have 123816.26. okay, from this part now to this part is about 500 and something the market, guys. For instance, I go back to my daily time frame right now. Let me get to show you the same thing I'm telling you about. Alright, the market has broken this whole part already. You can see that the market has broken it already. For instance, I got my entry around this side, just like I've just showed you guys right now. I got my entry around this part. Then from this part now to this part is about how much in the market. Alright, that's about 500 in the market. The market gets to return now, and I get to enter from this my point, whereby I have my buy limit in the market to this place. I'm gonna make 500 or something in the market. And if I'm to use 0.01 in the market, I'll be making $54 in the market, which is not advisable for someone that is trying to make money in the market to be using 0.01. No, you're not going to make crazy figure in the market. It will only delay you and keep you, in a cycle of you getting to make money. Then all of a sudden you get to lose everything. I prefer using something like 0.05 in the market or 0.1 in the market. At least whenever you get to win, you get to win something reasonable in the market. Let's test 0.05 in the market. Let's get to see how much it's gonna give us if at all we get to use that to enter this market. So on this market now, look at it now. Alright, if we get to use this place as our take profit in the market, we will get to make 275 in the market. You can see how it looks like right now in the market. For if at all we're gonna use this one candle in the market, okay, let's say from this part now, from this part to this part, which is one candle in the market, you make how much? $84. okay, you make 100 in the market. This is just one candle in the market. This 100 now times, okay, let's say we'll take 2 or 3 trades in the market. We're gonna make crazy figure in the market. For instance, now calculate this candle also from this place to this point. It's about how much in the market, sorry, from this place to this point. Alright, this and that one candle in the market. This is the opening of the candle, and this is the closure of the candle, man. So from that place to this point now, it's about 231 in the market. For instance, you didn't get to meet the opening, you got your entry around this side, you could have still make about 165 in the market. For analyzing that the market is going to get to this point, which is this part in the market, and analyzing that the market is going to take this away from this point now to this point, you have made 165 in the market, and that's a very good return in the market. You're not risking too much, but you're still going to make crazy figures in the market. You can see how crazy this looks like. So that's still another good figure in the market. Trying to analyze just one candle, you can get to make crazy figures in the market and still get to be happy at the end of the day, guys. So if at all you're struggling to make money in the market, all you just need to do is calm down and get to analyze a very good daily candle in the market, a candle that if at all the market gets back around, it's gonna push to the upside. So right now, me, I'm also analyzing the market that if at all the market falls from this side now and the market gets back to this side, I'm gonna get my interest in the market and I'm gonna follow up with the move in the market and get to push the market towards the upside again, man. Because this place is not gonna work out right now. This is more like a fair value gap candle in this market right now, and this is the next place whereby the market is gonna get around. Then from this side, the market now start rising towards the upside. So if at all I get to analyze one candle in this place, I'm gonna make a lot of money in the market. If I get to analyze from this point only to this point again, I'm still gonna make crazy figures in the market, guys. You can see how easy this looks like in the market, and that's exactly the same way it is. If only you can just calm down and get to analyze the market very, very well, then from there you get to use a better lot size. Don't use 0.01. I won't advise you to do that. Use at least 0.05 in the market upward, and get to make something reasonable when you get to risk in the market. Using 0.01 will just keep you in a cycle whereby you gotta make money and get to lose money in the market, guys. So right now on the chart, all we're expecting the market, we expect the market to drop toward the downside, which is this part right now. Then if I thought the market drops towards that side, then we'll get to enter and get to make money in the market, guys. So regardless of anything that's happening right now, it just looks like noises in the market for us. So we're still expecting the market to do our things, and from there we get to make our money and get to make money in the market, guys. Do not rush to get into the market trying to buy or sell because you see the market trying to buy or sell. Like right now the market is trying to buy and I'm not gonna get to buy because it hasn't reached my point or my own zone whereby I'm expecting the market to get back. Then from there I get to enter the market. It doesn't reach that point. So what's the point of me getting to enter the market? No reason, man. So that's how to use my one candle strategy to make money in the market, because this is the same pattern I followed up with every time, and whenever I get to analyze the market whereby I know that this one daily candle is gonna work out for me, I get to enter it and I get to make money in the market. So I believe you can also do it and get to make money in the market for yourself. So what are you waiting for? Try this up on your demo account and get to see whatever it's gonna look like in the market. If it is good for you, just like the way it's working for me, you can also get to try it on your real account and get to make money in the market, guys. Analyze one daily candle, get to know where the market is going to, and get entries on your lower time frames, and from there you get to make money in the market, guys. Very simple calculation. So that's all for today's video, and let's get back to the main video. Let's get to conclude, guys. Alright, guys, so that's how my one candle strategy works in the market. Get to watch this video over and over. This is not a comedy or any kind of entertainment video, so get to watch it as many times as possible and get to learn whatever I say in the video so you can get to practice it and get to make money for yourself, guys. See you in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and get to watch more of our videos so you can get to learn more things about the chart and get to make money for yourself, guys. See you, guys.